Now I have this video in my timeline. We have this green screen mobile and we have this simple background. So I'm going to split my clip from here. So we can go to the timeline and we can use this eraser tool, or we can use this shortcut key command. In my case, I have set this to B. So I'm going to press B on the keyboard, and now as you can see, it split the clip. Now we can place the cursor right here. We can select this clip and we can go to the clip. And as you can see, we have this freeze frame. So I'm going to select this. It will freeze this frame. Let's play this video on top of this track and we can increase the duration and we can place this right here. So we have this simple background. Now guys, the next step is we can select this clip. We can go to the Fusion page and we can press Shift plus space and we can search for key, and let's select this Ultra key. Press Shift and drag this in between these two nodes. It will connect this node, and now we can click here, drag this, and we can select this green screen. Now we can go to the image and we can now adjust the green screen. Now we can go to the matte and we can increase the camera, and now I think we are good. Now if we go to the edit page, now as you can see guys, we have this simple green screen effect. Now we are done. You can use this effect, but if you want to add some more effect to it, we can select this clip and we can go to the color page. Now guys, we have to select this clip, so we can click here to enable or disable the clips. So I'm going to select this clip. Let's disable this. Let's disable timeline and disable this gallery. Now if we go to the color warper, as you can see guys, we can add some more effect to this video. And now as you can see guys, we have this interesting effect. Now check this out. We can lower the gain, we can increase the gamma, we can increase the offset, and we can also change the temperature, add mid and detail, and we can also go to the effects and we can drag this radial blur and we can place this right here. And now check this out. So you get the idea. We can add interesting effect using this method.